How to unlink EA account from PSN. For this, go ahead and open up a preferred browser on your PC. Right here in the URL address, you have to go ahead and type in help.ea.com and give it a search. Make sure to log into your EA account. Right here, you have to tap on Manage Account, then tap on Link Account right here given to you. In here, you will find all of your connected accounts, including your PSN, Xbox, Apple, and Steam. If you do not have this option, make sure to tap on Connections. If you are already linked to your PSN, you will see the option as Unlink. You just have to go ahead and tap on the Unlink bubble. Right here, it will display something like this, where you have to provide them a verification OTP code. For that, go ahead and check on your Gmail. Then enter the 6-digit code right here in this dialog box. Once you have successfully added it, tap on the sign in option given to you. On to the next step, go ahead and enter your ID or your email address to your PlayStation to log into your PlayStation, and just like that, you'll be able to unlink EA account from PSN. If you find any trouble logging in, just tap on Trouble Signing In option provided to you, or tap on the Help option given to you at the bottom. And that's all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.